In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Zendesk support account or subscription. Whether you're transitioning to a different platform, no longer require the service, or have other reasons for wanting to end your subscription, I'll guide you step by step through this process. Let's ensure your cancellation is as smooth and straightforward as possible. First, you'll need to sign in as the account owner. This is crucial because only the owner has the necessary permissions to cancel the account. Agents or other users won't have this ability, so make sure you're using the correct login credentials for the owner account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Admin Center. From there, you'll proceed by selecting Account and then move to Billing and Subscription. It's important to follow this path as it guides you to the section where all your subscription information is managed, and without these steps, the option to cancel may not be visible. Now, depending on the version of your account, there will be a slight variation in what you'll see next. If your account is on a newer version, look for the Manage option. Click on it, and then scroll to the bottom of the page where you'll see Remove Products or Cancel Account. This option allows you to either downgrade or cancel entirely, so make sure to select accordingly. On the other hand, if your account is classified as a legacy account, you will need to scroll directly to the bottom of the subscription page to find the option labeled Cancellations. Again, just make sure you're reviewing the options carefully. Once you've clicked Cancel Account, you'll be asked to confirm your decision. This extra step ensures you're intentional about proceeding with the cancellation. After confirming, Zendesk might present you with a quick survey. This survey is optional, but if you have a moment, it's helpful to Zendesk for them to understand your reasons for leaving. It's important to know that the cancellation will take effect at the end of your current billing cycle, which means you'll retain access to all your usual account features until that date. So, if there's any important data you need to export or finalize, now is the time to make those changes. And there you have it, a straightforward way to cancel your Zendesk account. Following these steps precisely will help ensure a hassle-free cancellation process. Always make sure to check the latest terms or contract details, as occasionally there could be slight variations based on your specific plan type or account region. Feel free to reach out to Zendesk support if you encounter any uncertainties along the way. Thank you for watching, and if this video helped you, consider sharing it with others who might also find it useful.